I don't know if I'm going to run into a mama bear and her cubs, or if I'm going to come face to face with what I've been looking for all these years.
It's going to get dark in here. Got it. Watch out for this. We're gonna move it all slower. Come here, check this out. If you look at all these branches through here, they're all broken away. Something big has been through here. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Yeah, I heard that.
Let's make our way down to the river and see if we can find a spot where we can set up.
Great idea.
We're at the river tonight, right near the area where we found the footprint. I can't wait to explore this area more to see if we can find any evidence of just what created this thing.
There's a lot of different places for animals to go here.
Yeah.
So many trails. It's so quiet, like everything is so still suddenly.
Hey. Did you hear that?
No. What'd you hear?
A knock. We just got a tree knock.
I heard it clearly, whatever that was.
Yeah, tree knocks always happen when Bigfoot is around. It's believed that Bigfoots communicate by hitting branches against the trees. And every time I've heard one, weird stuff comes with it.
I swear to God, not even kidding.
Did you hear that? Yeah. Shh, everybody stop for a second. We just heard a branch break, as if something stepped on it. Let's scan the area with our thermals. I'm getting a heat signature. Hang on. Look, it's heating up.
What do you make that out to be, about 100 yards up ahead?
I think that's a fair estimate, yes. Look. It's moving right now. Wow.
I say we move towards it.
But we have to just approach it carefully and quietly. Shh. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Down by the water.
Oh, look at that. Maria. I just saw eyes shine.
Bryce.
Oh my God.